Let's take a look at this homework, adding within 20 using 10 frames, missing numbers. For this homework, the child is being asked to find a missing number for an equation. 10 frames are provided as a tool and support to help the child be able to figure out what number should be included in the blank so that the equation is true. So if you've never used 10 frames before, this might feel really overwhelming. So let's first talk about 10 frames. 10 frames are really just a rectangular box that's been partitioned into 10 spaces. They can have nothing in them and represent a quantity of 0, or they can have all of the spaces filled all the way up to 10 and represent a quantity of 10. The power of the 10 frame comes in that it shows children the relationship of quantities back to the benchmark number of 10, and it allows them to see this visually. So sometimes we see two 10 frames stacked on top of each other called a double 10 frame, which is what we're seeing in this homework, and we'll talk about that next. We have printable copies of a single and double 10 frame on our website, if that would be helpful to you and your family. And then we also have a video all about what a 10 frame is and how to use it purposely with your child. So be sure to check that out if you want to know more about 10 frames. So if this is the homework your child is working on, I would start by having them make the connection between what they're seeing in the 10 frame and what they see in the equation. So I see an 8 in the equation, and then I also see 8 dots filled in the 10 frame. I know I have to add something to the 8 in order to get 13, but I don't quite know what that is yet. So the idea is to use these 10 frames to help find the missing number. So if I have 8 filled in, I then need to fill in the next box 9 and then 10. And then I'm at 10, but I need to keep going. I need to get to 13. So now I have to go to the next 10 frame. I fill in one more for 11, 12, and 13. I've gotten to 13. I've added some. If I don't know how many I've added, I can go back and count individually. Some children might need to go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some might notice I put 2 in the other 10 frame and 3 in this 10 frame. That gives me 5. Either way, we're seeing 8 plus 5 then gives us 13. Down on the bottom, I have 9 in my 10 frame. I see a 9 in my equation. I have to add something to that 9 to get to 16. I'm going to add 1 to the 10 frame with 9 in it. That got me to 10 right away. And now I have to keep going and keep adding items into the second 10 frame until I get to 16. So once I do that, I can see I have 1 in the other 10 frame, and then maybe I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or maybe the child just knows I put 1 in the other 10 frame and I put 6 in this 10 frame. 1 and 6 makes 7. So the intent of these 10 frames are really to scaffold the child and to be able to see what would make sense for that equation. And we're using the 10 frame to help us benchmark to 10 to do that work. We would absolutely love to help you and your family with the homework that your child is bringing home from school. Please share your homework with us, send a photo, something that you're stuck on, and we can do a video to help lots of other families who are likely getting stuck in the same way. We are really, really, really hoping to empower families to be able to support their children in the math work that they're doing and discover the joy in math and find the fun that can be truly found in the homework that they're doing as they get to develop and understand these concepts.